Hi. How are you feeling today?
I'm not feeling so well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Prototyp is a code lab that helps customers break new ground.
Constantly working with new technology, constantly trying to innovate and find new ways of solving problems.
That we build apps in any form or shape, so be it a web app or a mobile app or a AR, VR app, or in this case for a social robot, which is very exciting.
We're focused on building a brain for the robot that allows it to interact in very rich, fluent conversations with people. We started with that software, and then we built a body for it, which is the Furhat robot. That core principle allows for developing many different applications on top of the social robot.
So we used the SDK provided by Furhat Robotics to build an app on the Furhat robot platform.
I'm PETRA, and I offer free medical screening. Would you like that?
Sure, why not?
It's an app that enables pre-screening for certain ailments, such as diabetes.
One thing that's very different and also very challenging about this is this sort of multimodal part of it. In these types of applications, you have a face that's constantly making expressions. You have a robot that is either listening or speaking. Maybe you have several users in the room and you need to handle a sort of robot's attention to different users.
At the end of this interaction, she will tell you if you have a high risk of this condition, and if you do, she will recommend that you talk or interact with a specialist.
Some of your symptoms are consistent with hypothyroidism.
I will definitely see a specialist. Thank you, Petra.
We're breaking new ground together. This is not something that has been done before.
PETRA is an early example of how we can interact with technology to solve some of the global health risks.
There's no language barriers when it comes to technical platforms and social robotics.
I'm really proud at the end result and what we managed to achieve here.
The combination of AI being better and better to actually scan for disease and ailments, together with a social robotics platform, will eventually create a situation where people feel safe and where they will be better diagnosed than today.